Quack, 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 quack. Hey, what's that? Is that a penguin I see down there? Quack, 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 quack. Hey, penguin, what are you doing down there? Quack, 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 quack. I just fell for the oldest trick in the book. Mr. Penguin, you'll never get away with this. Now that I've defeated Superman, I can take over everything. Ha 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 ha. Quack, 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 quack. I sure could use SuperCar McQueen right about now. Somebody call SuperCar McQueen? Ka-chow. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. I took care of that. SuperCar McQueen, it's Mr. Penguin. He's up there. You gotta get him. Quick, use the missile launcher. Alright, on it, Superman. You'll never get me, SuperCar McQueen. Never say never. Boy, am I glad to see you. Thank you, SuperCar McQueen. Yeah, not a problem. That's what friends are for. Now, think you can get me down here? Oh yeah, hold on. So, Superman, what do you think we should do with them? Well, I have a good idea. Come see. Quack, quack. You'll never get away with this. Superman and Supercar, I will see you again.